Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pratiksha Mangalekar and I'm thrilled to finally share my passion with you. This channel is about language learning and personality development with focus on English language. Today I'm super excited to dive into the world of writing with you with my brand new video series, The Mini Writing Workshop. As a matter of fact, writing is one of my weaknesses too. So let's learn together in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Every episode in this series is going to be only 5 minutes long. So let's begin the fun, and today we are going to deal with one of the most important parts of an essay, the thesis statement. Stick around till the end for a very special activity. So, what's a thesis statement, you ask? Whenever we write an essay, a passage, or a research paper, we must write a thesis statement. Reading a good essay is like savoring a delicious hamburger, like the one you see here. So, what happens is the thesis statement is written in the first part, the introduction part of the essay, and it's going to provide a good context to the reader. The thesis statement is nothing but a concise summary or the main point of your essay. It's like a roadmap for your reader, guiding them through your argument. A strong thesis statement is clear, arguable, concise, and focused. It should clearly present your stance and outline the main points you will discuss in rest of the essay. For example, let's read this thesis statement. Romeo and Juliet is an unhappy love story that ends badly because of some mistakes. This lacks clarity and words like unhappy are used very informally. Let's check if we can improve this. Hmm. Impulsiveness in Romeo and Juliet led to tragic deaths. Yes, now this thesis statement is clear and it's also made concise. A 4-day school week would be awesome because we'd have more free time. This sounds like students chatter who are dreaming to have a 4-day school week, like who are expressing their hatred for school. Okay, let's try and revise this thesis statement. Ah, a 4-day school week benefits environment, productivity, and flexibility. Wow, this thesis statement has a proper argument, and I think now their principal is going to allow them to have a 4-day school week. Let's walk through the steps to create a strong thesis statement. Here's a clear step by step chart for you, and you are free to take a screenshot if you like. Imagine you're writing an essay with a topic improving mental health with regular exercise. First step is to start with a question related to this topic. You will ask, how does regular exercise benefit mental health? See, of course, the answer is affirmative. It regularly exercising improves mental health. So simply answer the question in step 2. Regular exercise improves mental health. In step 3, we are going to work on the reasons, by reducing stress, by enhancing mood and improving sleep quality. Finally, we'll refine all this matter in step 4 to ensure clarity, and we'll make it more specific. Regular exercise improves mental health by reducing stress, enhancing mood, and improving sleep quality, which can overall lead to better well being. This final step, the step 4, is your perfect thesis statement. However, whenever we write a thesis statement, there are certain common mistakes that we need to keep in mind. First of all, we need to avoid statements that are too broad or too narrow or too vague. For example, technology affects society. Okay, it's a very broad statement. What do you mean by technology? You need to be more specific. Smartphones have apps. Okay, of course they have apps. What do you mean? And things are bad for mental health. What is things? You need to be more specific, right? More examples of poor thesis statements are here. As promised, time for a quick exercise. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're writing an essay for your college assignment. The topic is impact of remote learning on education. You need to write a thesis statement for this essay and share it in the comments with the hashtag mini writing workshop. We come to the concluding bit of our video. Here's a quick recap. Remember to craft a clear, arguable, concise, and focused thesis statement. Thank you for joining me on the very first episode of Mini Writing Workshop. Remember to subscribe for more quick writing tips. Happy writing and keep shining!